Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and today I have something special lined up for you. Well, today I'll be taking a look at the Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1 phone, which was recently announced by Asus at an event in New Delhi. And I got a chance to take a look at the phone, and here is a hands-on experience of the device. Let's take a look. So this is the Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1 phone. As you can see, this has a metal back panel which houses the dual camera setup as well as the fingerprint sensor and has the Asus logo. The plastic is on top for the antenna bands, as well as there's a little more plastic on the bottom as well. We have a micro USB port, a speaker grill, primary microphone, and 3.5mm headphone jack on the bottom. Coming to the left, there's a SIM card tray which houses a micro SD card and two SIM cards. On the right, we have the volume up and down button and the power button as well. Coming to the top, there's one microphone which is the secondary microphone for noise cancellation, and the phone has a circular fingerprint sensor on the back just above the Asus logo. Well, coming to the front, it has a 18:9 display with a earpiece on the top, secondary camera, and there is a LED flash on the front as well. It's a 6-inch screen which also is secured by a very durable glass on par with the Corning Gorilla Glass. The display has good color reproduction, and the UI is almost stock UI. Most of the apps are primarily Google apps, and not much of bloat is loaded other than a few Facebook family apps only. The camera UI you are looking at is going to be replaced with the Asus proprietary camera app soon, before the phone is actually launched into the market. This is a pre-release version, so and the app will look a lot different than what you currently see. The UI is fairly simple, and this phone is the 3GB 32GB variant. As you can see, it has 32GB of internal storage with the 8.7GB already used. The phone currently runs on Android Oreo 8.1.0, and the company promises that there will be two platform upgrades for this device, which is Android P and Android Q. There will be software updates regularly, initially maybe in 1 or 2 months once the phone is released, and then there will be major updates coming as and when required. So as you see, this is the hands-on of the Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1. A great device at a great price, I can say, as per my first impressions. But well, once the phone is released and we get it in our hands, we can test it thoroughly and let you know what the phone is and how it performs overall. That's it for now from the hands-on. So there's the phone, you saw it, and I told you about how the phone feels in the hand and all those things. Going by the camera right now, I can't say much because they have been working on the camera as well, and they said that there will be more improvements coming in the near future just before the phone is released into the market. So I'll reserve my comments on the camera as of now. The phone comes in two variants. One is 3GB RAM and 32GB internal storage, and another one is 4GB RAM and 64GB internal storage. But there is one more variant which is coming soon, which is the 6GB RAM with the 64GB internal storage. The pricing of the phone starts at 10,999 Indian rupees for the 3GB 32GB variant and 12,999 for the 4GB 64GB variant. Pre-booking for the phone starts on May 3rd on flipkart.com, as this phone is a Flipkart exclusive device. let me be clear about it. The pre-orders begin on May 3rd for the 3GB and the 4GB RAM variants, whereas the 6GB RAM variant is coming soon and the date of launch is yet to be announced. So I'll post more details of the phone along with all the launch offers and links to where you can buy the phone in the blog post. All the links to my social media channels and the blogs are in the description below. Well, that's it for now. Until next time, stay sleepy. And yeah, wait. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Well, you know how to do it. And one more last thing, don't forget to hit the bell icon because, well, it's YouTube. You need to be notified when I upload a new video, right? Well, bye bye now.